Okay, so this is going to be episode 7 of my 100 days training, and this is for 22nd of July 2021. Pretty much let's look at it from broader perspective. You can see it's pretty much just a range day actually, so not much is going on. So coming into the day, we have this slow grind up and prices are reacting on they're just resting on the EMA. Then we have this channel walking down lower. We have this channel walking down lower, we have a break. We're expecting a new low, which we got here. We have the break, we have the new low, and funny enough, it coincides with this is around 9:37 or something, I don't know. Okay, why did I mark this short trade here? Because we have a break of this channel, we have first entry short, and moving, we have second entry short at this point. So first entry short, then you have second entry short, but then look at this. This could have been the second entry short, but the signal bar is terrible. I mean, you can't go short on this bar. You have this nice bullish bar, but then prices did not tick lower below this bullish bar. But then you have this pin bar, this bearish bar here. We have a break, we're expecting a new low. We already have first entry short, second entry short here. So I think if you are actually this is aggressive, let me mark it as white. I don't think I will have taken this trade in real life because I don't really like it. I mean, you have first entry shorts and it's like second entry short actually. The shorts could have triggered here, but this bar is terrible. It's like a very bullish bar. A bullish bar closing at his eyes, I mean, and it opened at the middle, close at his eyes, so it's very bullish. You can't go short below this bar. But then when you have this nice pin bar, this bearish bar here, you might make a case for going short since you're expecting a new low from this ball. I mean, if you've already drawn this eyes in because you have one touch here, second touch here, and you just draw this low, I mean, you would have known that we're in the middle of a trading range and it's kind of like it's a bit dangerous to be going short at the middle or even trading at the middle of a range. Okay, so we got the new low. We have this pullback, first entry long, pullback, second entry long, that might confirm this. This is low of the day. Let's say you just came in at 9:30. You are resuming your day. This will have been low of the day here, and then you have it close to low of the day. You have pullback, first entry, pullback, second entry long. You have a break of the channel. You have a new low. You're expecting prices to reverse or for you to have a trading range, and then it's a second entry long at key entry point. So I really like this, and the pin bar is so small, so your risk is actually very, very small. Look at this, just 4 ticks of risk. You're just risking 4 ticks for this trade. So I really like this trade actually, and see it worked out. Then we have this channel working up higher. We have pullback, first entry long, pullback, second entry long. So you will have gone long here with this nice bullish bar. Is a pullback, first entry, pullback, second entry. We have a break of this channel. We're expecting new highs, but then you might have been worried that it's not quite close to these lows. But I mean, I will have still taken this because I don't know. It just looks first entry long, second entry long. We have a break of this channel. We're expecting new highs. So I mean, why you might not have taken this is because if you are drawn an STT here like this, you will have seen that the second entry long is still inside this short-term trend line. So that might be a reason why it might be aggressive. Let me just mark it as white. Because it's kind of aggressive. Is if you've drawn this short-term trend line, is first entry long, second entry long into the STT with an STT blocking it. So I mean, you might have been very cautious at that point. Then here we have a push second entry short, okay, and pullback, first entry short, second entry short, but then it didn't quite give us the reversal pattern to go long that we're looking for here. So I mean, there was really nothing here at point 2. We just pushed through the EMA, we came back here. These are matching eyes. Not really anything here to be honest. I mean, anything worth taking. So you have this rally higher, then at the end of the day we finally broke this channel. We have this downward channel going, working lower. We have multiple 1, 2, 3 touches, so the trend line is pretty legit. It's working lower, and we have matches at the lows, so trend line is pretty legit actually. So when we got here, we have this push up, and you see this nice bearish bar that is closing on its lows. It is at the EMA at the key entry point too, so I think this is worth taking. I mean, but then why you might have been scared of taking this is because you have this bullish channel working at, you have a break, new low, and you're very close to the, you have a break of this, you're expecting new extreme, and then we are very close to the this support point here. So I can see why you might not want to take this trade, but this is actually a very nice trade. I will have taken this trade actually, because it's at the key entry points, that's EMA, and then we are working lower. So yeah, that makes sense for me. And here we have a reversal pattern. We have this low here at this this lows. You can see this dash line. Then we have a push up, and we have kind of like first entry shots, yeah, then another push up, then second entry shots which failed with this very nice pin bar at the EMA. So I marked this as long, and we're coming off the lows. So this is like failed second entry shot reversal pattern with a very nice pin bar. And then we have like overshoots of this bearish channel working. We're expecting prices to break this pattern, move up. So, and this forms a very nice reversal pattern. I like this trade very much. So this makes sense to take as a trade. And then I don't think you really want to be trading at this time again. This is on a Friday. So I think it's best if you wrap everything up by 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But then if you looked at this actually, do you have gotten a channel from here? I'm coming. Not really. You might have drawn something from, sorry, probably something from here. I mean, what's this? Probably something from here, like this. I said something. What that seems. I don't know. Just trying to find something, but already I'll be done with this by. I'll have been done with this by this time, so I'll have taken this. I really like this. And then this is the one that is really good. You have this pullback, first entry, second entry long here. You have this break of this channel. We have a new low. We're expecting prices to reverse of come to form a trading range, and the signal bar is so small, so the risk is very limited. So I really like this. And yeah, that's pretty much it for 22nd of July 2021.